Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. Once upon a time in a distant Persian city lived two brothers called Ali Baba and Qasim. Ali Baba terribly poor, and he lived with his wife in a mud hut. He picked up sticks in the woods and sold them in bundles at the market. Qasim, however, had a rich wife, and he lived in a big fine house and sold carpets. He became richer than ever. One day, Ali Baba was gathering sticks in a wood some way from the city. He heard a band of horsemen gallop towards him. Scared that he might be in trouble for stealing wood, he scrambled up a tree and hid amongst the foliage. Second before the men, armed to the teeth, rode underneath. They were robbers, no doubt about that. Ali could tell by their evil looks, rough beards and bad language. But what made it perfectly clear to him was the booty they unloaded from their horses, obviously plundered in a raid. Their leader was a grim, wicked-looking man. Followed by his men, he strode towards a rocky mountain nearby. Throwing wide his men, arms suddenly should, "Open sesame." Ali Baba could hardly believe his eyes. For at the robber's words, the rock face swung open to become the entrance to a deep, dark cave. The robbers trooped inside, dragging their sacks. Ali Baba was struck dumb by this amazing sight, and he crouched in his tree, without moving a muscle. He could hear the robbers' voices echo in the cave, then out they came. Again opening his arms, the leader exclaimed loudly, "Close sesame!" And the rock swung tightly shut, as they leapt onto their horses and galloped away. Trembling with fear, Ali Baba climbed down the tree. He had just had biggest shock of his life. Hardly aware of what he was doing, he muttered, "Open sesame," but the mountain stood there still. Ali Baba said the words again, but this time he shouted them. Suddenly, the rock began to move. Ali Baba lit a flare and entered the cave. In front of his bulging eyes lay vast piles of treasure, pots of silver gold, precious vases, weapons studded with rubies and emerald, diamond, carved plates and carpets, all heaped together. The poverty-stricken stick gatherer rubbed his eyes in disbelief. His hand was shaking like a leaf, as he picked up a gold coin. "It's real," he said in awe. Jabbering with excitement and stunned at the sight of such untold wealth, he told himself, "I'll take some coins. Nobody will ever know," and he filled 4 bags full. The second he reached home, Ali Baba locked the door and emptied the sacks in front of his astounded wife. "Count them," he ordered her triumphantly, before telling her what had happened. "But there weighs far too many coins for these poor people to count. We can't count them all. Run to my brother's house and ask him for a corn measure." "We'll use that," said Ali Baba.